Hello, good morning or afternoon, and here's lesson 3, phase changes in matter. So I'm learning the concepts and terminology for the phase changes of matter. We have a little example here. I'll phase a little bit of solid, liquid, and gas molecules, little dancing ducks. So what are the states of matter, which you probably are familiar with? What are the properties of these phases or states, and what are the phase transitions? Let's get going. Okay, so matter has 3 normal states that are seen in lots of situations: solid, liquid, gas. This shouldn't be new to us. Now, there's other states like plasma that are theorized but do not exist on Earth in normal conditions. So, like you're just not going to see it, right? And matter changes into these different states, right? Ice melts, water can be boiled, and so we call these phases. Okay, so let's talk about solid phase. Now they have a definite or a specific shape and a definite or a specific volume. And the molecules of a solid are strongly bonded or connected to each other, right? They're stuck fast. And solids are the highest density phase for almost all substances in almost all situations. Most things, when they're frozen solid, that's going to be when they have the most density. Okay, now properties of a liquid. See, this dog is trying really hard not to lose that. Lose that water glass. These liquids, they have a definite or a fixed volume, but they have an indefinite shape. They take the shape of their container, as you can see there. Now, these molecules are weakly bound or weakly connected to each other. These liquids, like I said, match the shape of their container. Now, the next one here, got phase changes in matter. We have properties of gases. Okay, so a gas has no definite shape or volume. They are not bound to each other at all. They're all freely floating. And we can actually squeeze gases into a smaller area. If liquids take up less area than gases typically, if solids take up less liquids than the gases, then we could squeeze the gas down into a smaller area, right? Like you can squeeze a balloon. Okay. Now let's talk about phase transitions, like our friend Olaf here. So matter transitions, or changes, into a different phase when enough energy is added or removed from that matter. And matter transitions from solid to liquid to gas as we add energy. When we remove energy, the changes are in the opposite direction. Now, certain molecules or situations skip a phase. They go from solid to gas or from gas to solid. Okay? So the normal transitions, solids melt into liquids. Liquids boil into gases. Gases condense into liquids. And liquids freeze into solids. Now, there are some special phase transitions. So solids can, some of them, sublimate into gases. We saw this in our lab with the dry ice. Gases can deposit into solids. So when you make dry ice, the carbon dioxide goes straight from gas to solid. Now, liquids, they slowly evaporate at any temperature as long as the pressure of the air is less than the pressure in the liquid. Right, the water evaporates over time. And that's it. That's the whole lesson. Nice and quick. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.